Morning, children. How are you? I am also fine. Thank you. Today, now, let us deal with study skills. Here, we have to study the bill and answer the questions. We have to study the bill properly and answer the questions. Some questions are given under this table. You have to answer them. Heading is Mahalakshmi Stores. 512 SKML Temple Road, Vijayanagaram. 512 SKML Temple Road, Vijayanagaram. Phone 236926. Next, to Srinivas. Bill. Date is 21/07/2020. Here some headings are given: name, number, rate and amount. Here first one is pens. Number of pens is 10. Rate of each pen is ₹10. The total amount is 10 into 10, 100. The second item is erasers, not erasers, erasers. The number of erasers are 5. Rate of each eraser is 5. The total amount is 25. The third item is sharpeners. Here number of sharpeners are 2. Rate of each sharpener is 5. The total amount is 2 into 5, 10. Notebooks. Number of notebooks is 2. Rate of each notebook is 40. The total amount is 80. Charts. Number of charts is 12. Rate of each chart is 5. The total amount is 60. Here the grand total is given as 275. Children, I think you have already observed these contents of this table. Then you have to go through these questions. The first question is, what is the name of the shop? Here in this table or in this bill, name of the shop is given. Name of the shop is given. You have to observe it and you have to write the name of the shop. Now let us go to the second question. What is the customer's name? Here in this bill, customer's name is given clearly. You have to observe it and you have to write the name of the customer as the second answer, as the answer of the second question. Now let us deal with the third one. When did he buy the above things? When means you have to write the time or date. You have to write the time or the date. Here in this bill, date is given. You have to write the date as the answer of this question. Now let us go to the fourth question. How much money did he pay to the shopkeeper? How much money? That means you have to write the total amount as the answer of this question. Here the total amount is given clearly. If you observe properly, you can find it. Now let us go to the fifth question. How many pens did the customer buy? Here number of pens is given in this table. You have to write the number of pens. How many means you have to write the number of pens. How many means any. Number of pens you have to write it. Next, sixth and the last question. What is the price of one notebook? You have to write the price of one notebook only. Here price means rate. Price means rate. You have to write the rate of the one notebook. That is the answer for the sixth question. I think you have got it, children. If you go through this table or this bill properly, you can make out. Make out means understand. You can make out this information and you can easily write the answers to these questions. I think, I hope, I think and hope you all can write these answers very easily. Thank you one and all. Dear viewers, please watch, like, share and subscribe our English channel so that I can make more videos on spoken English also. Thank you one and all.